start it and click on the bell so you don't miss a video I put. Let's get this video started. Branda Birds Part 7 with the fighting with the evil giant Diet Coke. Let's get this video started. So, well, now we've been in all the adventures, where do you think that we're going? Well, I think we're going somewhere where you guys, like probably in your adventures. Nah, you think? We're going in our adventures because, well, we were fishing, so because in part 6 was kind of weird today, but wondering because it's snowing so hard, so instead of this, I was wondering we could do it in a warm house without us getting hot cocoa. Okay. But what does that got to do with hot cocoa? Well, we don't have hot cocoa in our adventures, but you know, we had a battle, so we had to fight with these giant coke morons and get rid of them, so that way they're weird with their coke and synonyms. What are you talking about? That's words. Oh. So, we're trying to fight this big coke that we saw, right? Well, we didn't see it in our adventure, but before that. Oh. Well. Okay, that's true now that I think about it. So we had to fight this big giant coke. I thought coke was bigger than a bird animal. And we had to use a coke fighting with a boss? The coke boss? The Diet Coke boss? Yeah, you probably sure do. Look, follow me. I'll follow you. Well, you're gonna see how giant that coke is than what you explored before. First, the volcano. Now the Diet Coke thing? Yup. There's a lot of big bosses. This time is going on flames here. Alright. Well, why not explore for adventure and maybe we can go. Let's roll. Alright, here we are. The Coke boss. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, he really looks like he's ready to battle us. With his big, giant eyes. Why does his eyeball look so big? That's crazy. He's built as a cartoon. You forgot? I've never seen a Coke this big. Bigger than a Gigantopithecus. It's more bigger than just that. Alright, you know what? That's it. I'm going to fight that big giant drink of a Diet Coke. Some fat guy needs to drink you so he can be the most champion star than Manny. Manny is so fat after him passing away before he met Team Coco. And I bet you're bigger like that fat guy that you can drink of. Alright, I'm ready. So you better get your muscles here because I'm about to take your guts out. It's out like a person's skeleton skull brain. Well, win it or lose it. Because I am going to kill you. Alright, okay. You asked for it. Wait a second. Alright, you asked for it. I'm going to battle you now. Ha ha ha. Hey, I'm gonna kill you. here it goes. I'm going to get hype after this. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. Ooh, I am so hyped today. I am hyped. I'm 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 hyped. Jeremy, are you okay? Alright, I just lost my hype now and I got over it. So what is it? So what do you want to go in the Christmas shop? Go see Santa Claus? We're too scared to see a fat jolly guy. He's Santa Claus. Well, I think you killed all the Cokes. I never thought you were this strong. I thought the Cokes were just gonna suck you down. That's stupid. Why would they do that? There's no reason that they would do it. Well, they wouldn't. Hey, kid. Good luck. Hey. Oh, gosh. Dang it. Oh, man. Did somebody just call the Pillow Wilson? To be continued. Hit the like button, subscribe.